Hi and welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don. This is the shop update for August 23rd, 2018. As I mentioned in my last update, I haven't had a whole lot of time in the shop this past week or so. I've been busy with family obligations and having some fun with my wife doing different things. Had some doctor's appointments that were real important. And I also have just excessive heat and humidity here in Southern California. It's just been very hot and wet here, which we're not used to. I did manage to make a tool holder for my dead blow mallets. This is the one that I have here in the shop, and I have another one hanging on the wall in my office, as I mentioned in that particular video. And I hope you get a chance to see how I made those particular tool holders. The video will be out before the end of the week, which is tomorrow. James King and his family have been very generous and kind to me. I had purchased one of their mini mallets, get it off the tool holder here, from them a few months back, and I really enjoyed it. I think the head is Lignum Vite, which is a really dense wood, and it's a real nice mallet, lightweight. And I also did a promo for his Facebook group. And as a result of that, James sent me the medium-sized mallet that he makes. Well, that was very nice, but with it in the box, James and his family decided to send me the full-size mallet as well. And the whole family has signed it and dated it for me. That was just outstanding, and I greatly appreciate that, James and family. And those will be really treasured. In fact, I made the tool holder for this dead blow mallet. Now I have to make a tool holder for all three of the James King mallets, the Thor's mallets that he makes. I guess I'll have to retire this little one that I made for the mini one. And that video will be coming out sometime in the future. No, I haven't had a chance to get back to my workbench. I still have the top or part of it sitting over here, and over in that corner I still have the legs and the stretchers and all the pieces. I'm still working on the design in my head, and I just haven't had time. So that'll be coming up in the future. When, I'm not sure. I was able to clean out some of the space down here under the windows where the workbench is going to go. As for the contests that I entered, you may remember in the last update I talked about the contests. Mitch Peacock had the Tool Make 18, and for that, and the others, I haven't won anything yet, but that's fine. But I did win one of the drawings that Mitch had, one of the random drawings. And more about that will be in the future. So watch for updates on what's going on with that. The James King Mallet Challenge that he had over on his Facebook group is still ongoing. In fact, right now he's having voting on that in the group as we speak. And congratulations to David Piggott. David won the woodcarver's mallet that I turned. You may remember that from before and have watched the video. And this will be shipped off to you, David, sometime this week, which obviously means it'll go out tomorrow. You can be watching for that in the mail. In fact, I have the box here that it's going to go in. If you have somebody at your home that wonders, okay, what did you buy from Amazon this time? Be warned, it's going to come in an Amazon.com box. So you'll know when it comes that it's just the mallet from me and not something you bought on Amazon. Some of you may be wondering about future things in the shop. I do have the workbench that I need to work on, and yes, that will be coming. I do have, like I said, almost all the materials for that. I do need some plywood for it that I haven't bought, but that will be coming sometime this year. I also will be making a tool holder for my woodcarver's mallet. I haven't done that yet. And I'll be finishing up the tool holders that I've started for the James King trio of mallets. That's a big mallet. I'm just an average woodworker like the rest of you. And so I don't get paid for this like some of the big name people on YouTube. I have a lot of things that I like to do outside of woodworking, including the dogs. And so I just can't get as many videos out as I would like in the amount of time that I have. I'd like to especially thank all of you who have subscribed to our channel and those of you that watch my videos. I'm hoping that they're helping you some and you're enjoying them. Please leave some comments to this video if you want. Let me know you're out there. And if you like this video, you please give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate all of you that have subscribed, and hope some of you that are watching this will subscribe as well. Thank you all very much for watching.